2021年第25題有呢一個 reaction，methanoic acid react with bromine to form HBr 同 CO2。題目講明 reaction rate 係 depends on both concentration of methanoic acid 同 Br2。佢哋做咗4 set 實驗，擺相同份量嘅 methanoic acid， 跟住擺唔同 volume 嘅 Br2 solution 同埋水。題目想問究竟邊一杯嘅 reaction rate 係最高喎？留心望一望 A、B、C、D 4個嘅 total volume 係一樣嘅。之所以會咁做係方便我哋嘅計算，只要 total volume 係 the same 嘅話， volume of Br2 就會直接對比 concentration of Br2 solution。 舉個例子， C 個杯嘅 Br2 solution 係 A 個杯嘅3倍，因為 total volume 係一樣嘅緣故，所以 C 個杯 bromine solution 嘅 molarity 就會係 A 嘅3倍。咁即係話 volume of bromine solution 越高就 molarity 越高啦。咁 D volume of bromine solution 應該係最高啦啩。concentration of Br2 solution of D 係最高，咁 reaction rate of D 係咪應該都係最高先？所以答案係多。